Hi guys, today we're trying a Charlotte Tilbury product that, to be honest, I never thought I'd get my hands on. So about halfway through this year, I saw Jeffree Star post a video using a Pillow Talk cushion foundation that was an Asia exclusive for their new shops opening. And I was obsessed. I wanted to try it, tried looking everywhere for it, couldn't find it, saved my life. But thankfully I found it. So today we're gonna unbox and try it together. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the website, so you can see the conversion price here. This isn't available on the US or the UK website because it is only available as an Asia exclusive. So I've seen people who are regioned in Hong Kong that have been posting about this and sort of other places in Asia. And there's only 4 shades available. Now I picked the shade 2C because the person who was selling it, very reliable source, you know, they're very good at what they do, and it was the only shade available. But when I saw the swatches, it actually is my perfect shade, so let's try it together. Okay, so this is called the Pillow Talk Beautifying Cushion Foundation Hydrating Flawless Silk Blur Effect, long lasting, medium buildable coverage. It's a very long title, as you can see, but let's open it up because I've been so excited to try this. Now, like I said, because it is an Asia exclusive, the shade range is literally 4 shades and they're all very pale. So this isn't going to be for everybody, but I mean, look at this compact. It's so pretty. So you open it up and the first thing you have is your mirror and your little puff. The idea is you basically pat the product on and then you open up this bit here. And then what you're going to do, I've kept mine on, but lift this. And obviously mine's got a bit messy because it was delivered, but let's try it. I'm excited. Now I'm just going to start off by saying I've never used a cushion foundation, so I have no idea what I'm doing. But I've got my puff. There's loads of product on the lid, so I kind of want to use that more first. Right. And people just sort of like pat it on because it's meant to be like a glow filter buildable foundation. So I'm going to start off with a sheer coverage and go from there. Okay, so this side is done, which you can see the lovely glow, and then this side isn't. So clearly there is a really good colour coverage here. The only thing is I'm used to putting makeup on with a brush, not a powder puff. So I'm just going to try putting this on with a brush on this side and see if there's any difference. Okay, so for experimental purposes, I'm just now putting it on with a brush just to see how it performs. But it seems to sort of look the same, if I'm honest. But I love this. It's very glowy, and one of the reviews I saw basically said if you have oily combo skin, wear the foundation but obviously set it down with a powder. But it's so glowy, I love it. Okay, so it says buildable, so I'm just going in where I would add extra, and to be honest, it's all blending like a total dream, but I look so glowy. Okay, so I'm just setting half my face with the Airbrush Flawless powder, and I mean, it looks flawless. It hasn't lifted, it's not caking. And then this is the side without, so this is without powder, with powder. So let me just show you, because a few of the reviews said that if you are an oily combo person, set it with powder because it still feels lightweight, still makes your skin look flawless and blurred, but it just means it will last a bit longer as well. I didn't want to like this as much as I do. I knew when I tried this that if I like it, it's going to be a nightmare because it's hard to get. But to be honest, my skin looks amazing. Like, the powder's set really lovely. It's blurred a lot of areas that I would have like pores and things. I'm not wearing concealer. I love it. And I'm so annoyed we don't sell it like just on the normal website.